Let me show you how you can reset these Philips WIZ lights. Okay, first make sure your light is actually turned on and you actually have a way to turn it off and on basically, either by a switch or maybe in a lamp basically, or you can plug it in and out basically. So then what you have to do is you have to press like 4 or 5 times, and between the presses wait like 1 second. So, and it will start to flash in this like blue mode or like colorful mode basically. So let's do it. I'm not sure if you actually need to wait for some certain time between the clicks, but really just keep clicking, and as you see it entered this blue mode which keeps flashing like this, and now you can pretty much it's reset and ready to be paired once more, or yeah, whatever you need to do with this. So yeah, if it was helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos about these bulbs, then make sure to subscribe because I have plenty more coming. See you.